How to view estimated delivery time on the Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to know when your Shack order will arrive, well here is how to check estimated delivery times online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here simply sign in with the account and once logged in, just build the order with your preferred Shack location and menu items. And once you're done with it, add the checkout, look for the delivery details section and this is where the estimated times are shown. So there the site calculations are based on the Shack location, current order volume, and your delivery address. So there you can select a different delivery window if available to see updated estimates before confirming your order. And with that, just a pro tip is that estimated times may vary during peak hours, so check before placing your order for more accurate planning. And that's it. Now you know when your Shack meal will arrive. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.